Hello friends, today we would be learning about string creation. There's a second way, that's a new keyword. Okay, first way is by string literal, and there's another way by using string new keyword. Okay, let's see what string first. String is an object which represents the sequence of characters. Okay, string literal, it is the first and the one way it is created by using double quotes. So that's a string literal, and the second way is string using by new keyword. Uh, we could create a string using one keyword like this also. Means character of array likes. In L also there would be single quote. Okay, I'll just miss that. And here we will write string s1 equal to new string ch. That's this. Okay, this is the first way to indicate as indicated by using new keyword, and the second way is string s2 equal to new string subscribe. We could write it directly over here. Okay, there's a two way to write it. And string by using new keyword, there's a method. It happens this way: whenever we create a string using new keyword, the JVM add the object in the heap area and pass reference to it, whether the object is present on or not in the heap area. That means, let's see the diagram. That means the big yellow one is the heap area, and the light green one is the string constant pool. Okay, if whenever we use string, whenever we create a string object using new keyword, so first the object would be created in the heap. That's means the pink one, that's a pink area. In that, in yellow, that's the heap area. In there, that object would be created. Okay, like the pink we will write over here, and reference would be passed to the heap area only, and one object would be created in string constant pool. That's the light green part. Okay, let's see for the definition first. The heap area, and one object would be created in the string constant pool. But if object is already present in the string constant pool, then object won't be created. That means that, let's see further, and I will explain it. Next string s1 new string like. Okay, we would create this string. So what will happen according to the definition? Whenever we create an object, we are using new keyword in the string new keyword. Okay, and there's a like. So let's see in the diagram. Like, so first we would create like object in heap area. Okay, heap area. So like a like, and reference would be passed to it. So this is s1, and like would be created first. It would create a heap area, and a reference will be passed to the heap area object. So like and reference will be passed over here s1, and another object would be created in string constant pool. That's here. So like, but reference won't be passed over here. Okay, reference won't be passed over here. So let's see second. The second s2 is subscribe. So it is a string literal. Okay, so where it would be where it would be created? So it would be created in string constant pool, and s2 would be passed to it. The reference would be passed to it. So in string constant pool, subscribe would be created, and reference would be passed over here only in string constant pool. So s2, that's the reference. Okay, now third, string s3 equal to new string like. As you said before, whether the object is present or not, the heap in heap area, that object would be created, and reference would be passed through it to it. So like and reference s3 would be passed. Okay, so like an object would be created like, and reference would be passed to it s3, and another object would be created in string constant pool. But first let's check whether the like object is present in the string constant pool or not. So here, as we see, the like object is already present in the string constant pool, so we won't create a new object. Okay, so that's how it goes for this. So you can see over here that the string constant pool like is without reference. Okay, so for that we have to learn about string intern method. We would be learning about intern method in next video, so stay tuned. And if you haven't seen the string and string literal part, just go and check it. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.